I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My name is Tr.Mutale Brian, and for today's lesson, I'm going to take you through the introductory part of geography. Under this section, we are only going to look at two aspects. That's the definition of geography and the branches of geography. Some of you may have not known what is geography, but here is, and also there are some and several scholars who have come up with many definitions of geography, and they have wrote many books about geography. But from my view, I see that geography for it is the study of places and the relationship between people and their environment. Because when we look at the geography, it tells us how these places we live in are being related to the people and also their environment. Here we look at how people interact within the environment and how has also environment being influenced by the people. Are you getting? So when you look at this perception of geography, we see these places, because places are also being influenced by also people, and also places are also being influenced by also the environment. Also another scholar gave up a definition of geography as also you can define it as a field of science devoted to the study of the lands, the features, the inhabitants, and the phenomena of the earth. For it, it looks at these lands, the landforms, like the mountains. When you look at the features, which features are there? The physical features like lakes, rivers, also the inhabitants. Where do these like animals live? When you look at the water bodies, and also the phenomena, which is the environment. So that's all about geography. So in case someone asks you what is geography, you are able to tell that this is, in short, this is just a study of places and the relationship between people and their environment. All right. When we look at the branches of geography, there are majorly two branches of geography. One is the physical geography. When we talk about the physical geography, for it, it is the study of processes and patterns in natural environment. So, what are these processes and what are these patterns in the natural environment? When you look at the process, we have the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, the biosphere, the geosphere, as opposed to the culture or built environment, the domain of human geography. These processes and patterns are the one which builds up geography. And when we talk about human geography, for it is the study of processes and patterns that shape human interaction with the various environment. We look at these processes and patterns on how have they shaped our interaction with the environment we live in. So when we look at this, we see that also geography that deals with the study of people and their community. So we people in the community, how are we interacting with the environment? That's what we call the human geography. So it tells us, it gives us also a belief background on how these human or how these people interact with the environment in our day-to-day life. All right. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, you like, and give it a comment. Have a nice day. Bye bye.